everyone! Today we will learn about proper nouns. And yes, stay till the end for the bonus question. So, a proper noun is a noun that names a particular person, place or thing. It is always capitalized no matter where they fall in a sentence. Let's see some examples. Taj Mahal is in Agra. In the sentence, Taj Mahal and Agra are proper nouns. Olivia is walking. In the sentence, Olivia is the proper noun because it's the name of a person. Charlotte was born in Australia. In the sentence, Charlotte and Australia are proper nouns because Charlotte is the name of a person and Australia is the name of a continent. Isabel got admission in the Stanford University. In the sentence, Isabel and Stanford University will be a proper nouns because Isabel is the name of a person and Stanford University is the name of a place. Now comes the quiz time. So, this is a passage and you need to find out the proper nouns. If you need more time, you may pause the video. The answers will be shown in 5 seconds. Here you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to widen your horizons.